of breath. I feel like I get so excited telling you everything that I get like really out of breath, and I'm like, you guys aren't even responding, so it's just me talking and I'm so out of breath. Sorry, I'm not crazy. Maybe I am a little bit. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing really well today. If you're new here, my name's Linda and I do post about fashion, so if you're into that sort of thing, do consider subscribing to my channel and let's be friends. Okay, so today's video, I actually have 3 things that I want to show you all. One of them is an unboxing. That is the reason I'm filming today, because I got something and I'm so insanely excited about it and I wanted to wear it. And I couldn't because I had to do the unboxing for you all before I could actually enjoy it myself. And so I'm so excited. And then I have 2 other things that I just purchased, which it's not that they're not as exciting, but just the one. Okay, so one of them is Gucci, which is the one I'm insanely excited about. And the other 2 are from Versace. And you'll understand. I'll show you right now. So let's get straight into today's video. Okay, so the unboxing that I'm extremely excited about comes in this beautiful box. So I'm not sure if this is like their holiday packaging. So I didn't get this from the outlet. This is directly from the boutique. So it's a little bit pricier than the other things I usually get, but honestly I don't think it was that bad for what it is. But yeah, so look at this packaging. It's so pretty and it's got the nice little red ribbon. And I just love how colorful it is, because all their other packaging, which I don't have on me, but it's like white and black, which is sleek, but I'm liking this a lot. And so, okay, inside, I feel like there should be tissue paper. It's a present. Oh, also this is a present from me to me. It comes in this beautiful box, which, I mean, they just wrapped so very pretty. Look at that. That's stunning. Like, all of the details of this box are just so pretty. Like, it has like that, I don't know, like old school vibes to me. Like, this is definitely like a very pretty little design it has in the background. And so let's open it up. I kind of don't want to take the bow off because I'm not going to be able to, well, whatever. I guess I don't need to. Okay. Yay! Alright, so the ribbon, even the ribbon's cute and it says Gucci all over it. I'm not going to throw it away. I don't know what I'll do with it, but it'll just contribute to my hoarding ways. There it is. Ouch. I thought that was going to be open at that point. Okay. Ta-da! It is a watch. My wrist is just looking so bare, and it is this beautiful watch. I liked this one. So there were 3 watches that I was torn between. So this is the one that I chose because I love that it's two-toned. I find myself constantly back and forth between silver and gold, and so I wanted a watch that could go with both, because sometimes I'll be like wearing gold and then my watch won't match, or I'll be wearing silver and then my watch won't match. But with a watch that's two-tone, I feel like finally I can get away with it. And the other 2 watches that I liked, I'm actually still in love with, and I might get them in the future. One of them had a green background dial, I forgot what you call it, face, and the other one had a pink face. And they're both adorable, but and they were both also two-toned. The green one kind of stole my heart. I think that's the other one that I'm gonna get. The pink is so girly and cute and fun, but I don't know how much I'll get like use out of that one. But I'm gonna put the pictures right here so you guys can tell me yourself. Do you like the green one? Do you like the pink one? And then of course, do you like the one that I chose? I chose this one because I felt like it would match everything. Like the other ones, obviously if I'm wearing like yellow, then maybe the green won't go as well or something, you know what I mean? Like maybe the colors will clash, although I feel like I would still do that anyway. But the face is quite big, as you can see on my wrist, but I don't feel like it's obnoxiously big. Like I feel like it's kind of just right in a way. Let me put it on this one. There. So it's not too big. I definitely need to have a lot of links taken out. It's like, look at that. But that's fine, because I think I could do it myself, or I could just go to the boutique or something and have them take off the links. The one that I went to said that they don't do it, so I'll either go somewhere else, but I actually have the little link remover because I used to work in fine jewelry, so it's really not that hard. There's a few watches that have like extra pins and things, but this one looks pretty straightforward, so I think I'll just do it myself. And yeah, this one just has like the big B. Let me see if I could show you again. Oh, actually, let me take some of this plastic off. Alright, well that one looks a little harder to take off. But yeah. So you see that beautiful B, and it has like all the little details around it with the like the little bees and like little stars and stuff for like the minutes, I mean the hour. Yeah, what am I talking about? And so yeah, I just thought this one's gonna like go with everything, and I like the fact that it's a big face because my other Gucci watch is like tiny, and so I felt like this one's gonna be a little bit more like in your face but still not too crazy. And so yeah, insanely happy with this purchase. And for those of you that want to know the price, quite frankly, I don't know the price myself. Okay, I found it. The price of this one was $1,290, and it's the G Timeless Watch 38 millimeters. Yeah, love it. When I saw this one on the website, I knew this was the one for me. Okay, so the next items that I bought, you know, I feel like Macy's should just pay me at this point because I'm like the biggest Macy's fanatic. I love shopping there. I love everything about Macy's. Like, it's just such a fun place for me. Like, it's like one of my happy places. And so I went ahead and bought Versace. I think this is their new perfume. It's called Dylan Blue, and I've heard so many good things about it, so I went ahead and bought it. Whoa. And I decided to get the gift set, and it comes with all of this. Like, it's just so much. It has like another little mini perfume, the actual perfume, which is beautiful, a body lotion, and a shower gel. And like, look at the bottle. Sorry if you hear talking in the background, I'm not home alone. But yeah, so look at the Medusa head right at top. Let me get it to, there you are. So look at the Medusa head. Like, I just feel like it's such a cute little attention to detail. Such a pretty bottle, to be honest. I haven't bought like an actual Versace perfume for myself in so long, and I guess this was just like the right time to do so. And so the exciting thing about this is what it came with. Macy's usually has some type of gift to give you, and wow, I cannot believe this was free. I got this like duffel bag. You guys are gonna be shocked this is free. Like, I can't believe this is free. They gave me this duffel bag. It actually came in a dust bag. Like, it came in its own little Versace perfume dust bag, and it's like huge, as you can see. Like, this is great for travel. It just says Versace perfume. That way you know it's not like from the actual like Versace boutique. It's like a gift with purchase. And it opens with two zippers here, which it's like so easy to open. And then this part's velcroed, and the inside is so big. So guys, I'm hoping they still have some in stock at your local Macy's, and you should definitely go check out your Versace perfume and ask them if they have any free gifts like this, because I bought two of the Versace Dylan, one for me and one to give away, and there's more. But yeah, so look at this duffel bag. It has like the Greek key design that they're like famous for all over it. And let me show you the other item. But this, I'm shocked that this was free. Like, unbelievable. And then it has like the long strap that's adjustable and padded. Like, this is free. I can't believe this. And that's not it. I told you I bought like 3 perfumes. I also got the Versace Bright Crystal to give away, so I can't really open it, but I got this one. And so I got this tote from Versace, and I can't believe this is free too. And it also came with a dust bag. And so it has the Greek key for the straps, and honestly, this feels like really good quality. And the material here is really nice. Like, I'm totally gonna use this. This would have been a really good like laptop bag. Now, I'm not in school anymore, but for whenever I need to like walk around with my laptop or anything, I guess. And then it has this like drawstring, so that's kind of cool. It's like different, very different. I like it. And it also has like a button closure right there. Inside has a zipper pocket and 2 slip pockets, and it's just really big. Like, I guess for reference, I'll put the actual perfume in there. yeah, that's with that big perfume bottle in there, and there's still space for a lot more. This is a pretty decent sized tote. It even has feet and everything. I mean, I have bags that I paid thousands for that don't have feet, and this bag was free and it has little feet to protect it. Like, wow. I cannot. I really can't believe that Macy's is giving this stuff for free. Or I don't know if it's like the vendors, like maybe the Versace vendor or like all of them, because they also had the prettiest little clutch if you bought the Valentino perfume. It was like a decent size, like this. It was red and it was like a, I want to say like a PVC type of material, and it was so cute, and it just said like Valentino, and it had like a strap in the back, and that was if you bought the Valentino perfume. But I had gone for the Versace perfume, so I got these gifts instead, which are still amazing, like unbelievable. Like, guys, definitely when you go buy a perfume, think about getting it at Macy's. Check what sales there are. I think right now they had like 15% off, which they don't always have, so definitely wait for the sales and then see what gifts they're offering. Guys, I'm like out of breath. I feel like I get so excited telling you everything that I get like really out of breath, and I'm like, you guys aren't even responding, so it's just me talking and I'm so out of breath. Sorry, I'm not crazy. Maybe I am a little bit. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me which watch you like between the pink one or the green one, because I'm really leaning towards the green, but like a little push might sway me in the other direction. Let me know. And all of you, I hope you have a great day. If you like this video, give it a like, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you all for the next video. Bye!